Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the BusRight, parent bus tracker, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. BusRight is a school transportation tracking app designed to help parents, guardians, and school administrators monitor school buses in real time. The platform offers accurate GPS-based bus locations, estimated arrival times, stop details, and automatic alerts. It is available on both iOS and Android and is used by school districts to improve safety, communication, and transparency for families during daily transportation. The app's main feature is its live bus tracking interface, allowing parents to view the exact location of their child's bus and receive ETA updates. BusRight also sends push notifications for delays, schedule changes, or route adjustments. Students can be assigned to specific buses, and parents can track multiple children from the same account. Schools benefit from improved communication tools and simplified route management. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its reliable GPS tracking, user-friendly interface, and timely notifications. The ability to reduce wait times at bus stops and avoid missed buses is especially valued. Parents find the app helpful for coordinating mornings and afternoons more efficiently, while districts like its route optimization and communication features. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's accuracy depends heavily on the school district's GPS hardware and data updates, which can occasionally cause delayed or inconsistent tracking. Some parents report notification delays or missing alerts. Additionally, access to the app requires the school district to be partnered with BusRight, so availability may vary by region. In summary, the BusRight app may be worth using if your school district supports it and you want real-time visibility into bus locations, reliable alerts, and better communication for daily school transportation. However, if your district has inconsistent GPS data or you prefer manual tracking methods, it might not offer the full value you expect. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.